How to change your name on Tinder. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Tinder. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to change the name. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. It will land you on the settings of Tinder. Scroll all the way down and you can see there is no any option where you can change your name on Tinder. So the very first thing you should know that it is actually impossible to change your name once you have set the name while creating your account. But if you really want to change your name, then what you can do is simply delete your account and then create a new one. While creating a new account, enter the new name which you want to set it before, and then you'll be good to go. Well, if you want to change your name directly on your previous account, then all you have to do is wait for the Tinder to update the feature and then only you'll be able to change your name on your specific account. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to change your name on Tinder. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.